Hi, everyone. My name is Dawn Narvaez,
And I am Griseda Ruiz.
and we are registered dietitians with Head Start. We would love to invite you to attend our Nutrition Cafe workshop series. They are scheduled every fourth Monday of the month from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m.
You can easily register with the link provided at the bottom of the flyer. Click on the word English. This screen will pop up. There will be a total of 11 workshops, but you only need to register once. Fill out your complete name and email address and click on register. We would love to see you attend as many as you can.
This workshop series will focus on how to keep your preschoolers as well as the entire family healthy. They will be interactive and you'll be able to share ideas. They will be full of nutrition information and you'll be having fun learning creative ways to enjoy food with your family.
If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at headstartregistereddietitians@gmail.com. Thank you, and we are looking forward to meeting you at our workshops.
See you
See you
there.
there.